Hi everyone, welcome back to Phoebe's World, and today I'm with my bestie Pippa. Hi! And today we're going to be making squishies! Remember to subscribe and turn the notification bell so every time I post a new video you will know. Let's get started! Okay, so like I said, we're making squishies squishies today. So we have all the things we need, and those might look silly. We've got cotton pads. So I made some squishies and poppets yesterday. So I know how to do it. I watched the video.
I've made the poppet things before, the dimples, and
Yeah.
I haven't made squishies like this.
Okay. So mine yesterday kind of broke. I made a donut, and I think do you want to make a carton of milk today or something?
I don't know. Whatever, I don't mind.
We can just look at something and we can see. But like I said, we've got cotton pads. We have scissors.
We have tape because we couldn't find clear tape,
And then we have a big bag of pens.
and then we've got.
Pippa. Okay, so we found a picture.
This is the picture. Can you? It's not working. There. That's
So we're doing a carton of milk. So, got the bag here. So what we have to do is, step one is getting a piece of paper and folding it in half.
Fold your piece of paper in half. So it's like a card.
Yeah, so fold your piece of, everyone at home you can join in if you want to. So it might not be the best, but still it's a bit, if you can, done. Boom.
Boom.
Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to, oh right, we need a pencil.
Pencil. I might not have one.
There you go. Where's the pencil at?
Wait, here's one.
Okay, so you have to draw a carton of milk. All I want to say,
Here.
draw it this way, so it's not going to be, that's how big it, no,
Wait,
right,
so what's got to
keep
be
it this way.
Right, yeah.
That's how you have to draw it, because you have to stuff it in this way.
Stuff it.
No, you have to.
Stuff it
so you have to, what I do is I rip it open and I make it into like a circle, and then when you have it in for a while, it's better.
Right.
So, but anyway, what you need to do, we need to draw a carton of milk. What you have to do, keep it this way open. So if you're making it, have it this way
So
open.
like the open bit's got to be at the top.
Yeah. So what you have to do, you can stuff it in this way.
Yeah.
And then you have to sellotape all of it forward, so you have to put that on. Speed this part up, so we'll be back in about a minute or so.
Yeah.
So here is mine, everybody. There's Pippa's on doing hers. I think mine's really cute, so if we put it together.
I did the eyes too much at the top.
You would need to be a bit thin. Okay, actually, I found a pen. I'm using a pen instead. Pens are better than crayons.
I don't even have crayons.
It's just for fun, that's all.
Watching you. Is there another pink pen?
You know what I find actually quite good? If best friends don't argue, they're not real friends.
Exactly.
So that's good. Why that we actually argue.
Oh, I just went out the line. Just so you know, I am a terrible drawer, guys. Anyway, that's
I
mine.
need to colour in this part.
I think mine's actually cute.
Really dark.
Yours isn't even coloured in properly because the pen ran out.
Yours is out the lines.
Right. Are you doing that bit clear? I'm going to do this bit. Scooch about.
Scooch about. Right, so everyone, I finished drawing mine and I'm now going to put it up.
I'm going to use just a crayon.
Okay, so what you have to do on this part, you don't cut the bottom part up, you leave the bottom part, and you leave the, cut the
Phoebe,
top
look
part.
how quick these crayons work.
You don't look as nice though.
Oh god. Now what do we do? Cut it out.
Yeah.
I need another, there's another pair of Good job, Louise. Teacher sends scissors out.
Actually.
Yeah.
My gosh. Right, no, okay, right, don't cut that.
Why would I do that for?
Okay, so here it is. And what you have to do, you have to like sellotape. It's brown, it's like so embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing? Oh, Phoebe. No, what did you...
I told you not to do it. I told you not to cut the edge off.
No, you didn't.
I did.
I'm going to have to do all that again. You're so annoying. Come back.
So guys, I have to do mine again because I cut the bottom. But yeah, I've done it like this now.
So whilst Pippa's been doing it, the camera's off, and I've been sellotaping the edges off. So you have to sellotape the edges, but leave the bottom part blank. Sellotape these parts. Don't sellotape the very top because you won't be able to get the stuffing in. Okay, so if you have clear tape, you can maybe go over the top so it's not crumply. We don't have clear tape.
It's not
Located to you, Pippa.
That's not my fault that my house doesn't have play tape, is it?
I was joking, man.
Right, it's always my fault. It's my mom's fault. She needs to buy some pasta. I'll do.
Okay, so now I've got this all ready, and I'm going to stuff the tops.
You're stuffing yours already.
I'm a quick learner. Play.
Feel it? Oh, you stuffed it. That's good, is it? Yeah. Do you take the bottom?
I think so.
Did you?
I don't know.
Baby.
Mine was a circle.
Oh wait, no, you don't have to take the bottom because it's already like. I'm using the tape now. You're not having any more.
I don't need any more.
It's my house tape.
Actually, yeah, I do need more.
Well, it's my house tape, so nah.
That's alright, because I already have some. Look at this. It's actually really cute.
Let's feel. Come. That chokes on my tape. I need to stuff it. You know these are meant to clean your face. What? You clean your face with these?
I know.
Right, what do you do now? Just did I do that right? Right, and then stuff them in. Okay, just like drop them in.
Yeah.
My mum's gonna have to hoover after this.
Why?
Because there's fluffy stuff going everywhere.
Yeah.
I've just find this so disgusting.
It feels awful, doesn't it?
It's like you know, like you're that feeling. Like, I can't describe it.
Oh,
Stop.
and then it gets on your hands.
If you do like this. Oh, Phoebe, should do that. It makes me like.
Feel sick.
Oh, like do it though. Go like this.
Why?
Just do it.
I'm doing this. It'll get all sticky.
No, please. It feels awful. Go like that. No, like that.
Ew! Gross.
Phoebe, stop this talking American. You say gross. You just said it. That is. That is the funniest thing I've ever heard. Gross. Gross.
That in the eye.
You actually heard that. Baby. That's all fluffy in your hair now. You better not have. No, I'm getting the show tonight anyway. Because we're going in the hot tub. Do you fill this up to the top, Phoebes? There's loads of spaces in mine. Stuff it down. To the ground. I can breathe so loudly.
Everyone says that about me, and I'm like, I don't
You're
breathe
going.
out loud.
You're meditating. Can you remember in Edinburgh? I was just sat there going, it was so boring. Do you meditate, actually?
No.
Yeah, you do, don't you?
sometimes with my mum.
I never get stressed. Yeah, I do. I got stressed over my assessment.
What assessment?
My maths assessment. But I actually did so well. So.
Oh, I love assessments. That's what happened to me.
I love them. I love them.
The math ones are easy. It's like, what is 25 plus 8?
20, I don't know.
32. 3. 7.
Have you taped the top yet?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. That's so good.
Is it?
What are you doing? Shoop. That's grey, you know.
I know.
What should I do now, Phoebes? Do I cut the bottom before you tape the top?
Sorry?
Do you tape the top first?
Just don't cut the bottom anymore.
What?
You've already... No, don't cut the bottom. You don't need to cut the bottom.
But you said cut the bottom.
Yeah, but you coloured the purple in. I had white at the bottom.
Oh, right. I thought you meant... Oh, right. Okay. Right, so do I tape the top now?
Yeah.
It shows like stuffed at the top.
Yeah.
Oh, mine
So
isn't.
it's kind of hard.
I'm going to tape the top now. Pass me the tape. I'm just going to use my teeth because I'll just get the scissors. Savage.
How's that even... I say that. I pretend as if I was being a savage, if not.
No, because you're a weirdo.
You just did it too.
Yeah, but I'm good at it.
Oh my gosh, I've just ruined it now, haven't I? That's what my mum always says to me. Don't go too fast because it looks so nice at the start and then you ruin it. That adds too much.
How many times has that tape been in my mouth?
Twice.
These make so much mess.
What?
These squishy things.
Oh my god.
We've got cotton bud fluff, cotton pad fluff everywhere. Oh, so cute. I'm not gonna do outline mine in black.
It's alright. No one told you how to.
I think these are crap. Wow, limited edition thingy.
Okay, so
Hi. That person's
good out squishies.
Oh, this is cute. Let me see yours, Pips.
Milk. Bye. Right, we're going in the hot tub in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, so here's my squishy.
Okay, everyone, here's mine as well.
Okay, squishy test. 3, 2, 1. Feel yours?
Mine's bigger. Oh, yours is more stuffed.
Okay, so everyone, we're now going to be going in the hot tub. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.